Welcome to Quintana Roo, a state bathed by the warm waters of the Caribbean Sea on the Yucatán Peninsula. Here, ancient Mayan ruins whisper tales of bygone eras, while vibrant ecosystems teem with life. Known for its stunning natural beauty and rich biodiversity, Quintana Roo is a paradise for nature lovers, a place where turquoise waters lap against powdery white sands and verdant jungles conceal hidden wonders. Let's explore the incredible natural treasures this region has to offer. Quintana Roo is home to some of the most breathtaking beaches in the world, stretching like a ribbon of white along the coastline. Here, the Caribbean Sea unveils its most captivating shade of turquoise, its surface shimmering under the tropical sun. Fine, powdery sand, soft as silk beneath your feet, invites you to relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Imagine sinking your toes into the warm, inviting sand of Cancun, its beaches bustling with life yet still retaining their inherent beauty. Picture yourself strolling along the shores of Playa del Carmen, where the vibrant energy of the town blends seamlessly with the tranquility of the sea. Or perhaps you envision yourself in Tulum, where ancient Mayan ruins stand guard over idyllic beaches, their weathered stones whispering tales of a distant past. These shores offer more than just visual splendor. They are a playground for those drawn to the embrace of the ocean. The warm, crystal-clear waters beckon you to dive in, to explore the hidden depths beneath the surface. Snorkelers will find themselves surrounded by a kaleidoscope of marine life, while divers can descend into a world of coral reefs and underwater caves. From the vibrant energy of Cancun to the laid-back charm of Playa del Carmen and the historical intrigue of Tulum, Quintana Roo's Caribbean beaches offer an experience for every traveler. Stretching over 600 miles from the tip of the Yucatán Peninsula down to Honduras, lies the second-largest coral reef system in the world, the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. This underwater tapestry of vibrant coral formations and teeming marine life sits just off the coast of Quintana Roo, a submerged world waiting to be explored. Imagine yourself floating above a garden of coral, a kaleidoscope of colors and shapes bursting forth from the ocean floor. Schools of fish painted in every hue imaginable dart in and out of the coral branches, their movements as mesmerizing as a choreographed dance. Sea turtles, ancient mariners of the sea, glide gracefully through the water, their shells adorned with intricate patterns. Keep an eye out, for you might even encounter the sleek shadow of a reef shark patrolling its domain. The Mesoamerican Reef is a haven for divers, a chance to witness firsthand the sheer diversity of life that thrives beneath the waves. Popular sites like Cozumel, renowned for its drift diving, and Isla Mujeres, where gentle whale sharks congregate in the summer months, offer unforgettable encounters with this underwater wonderland. But the reef is more than just a spectacle. It is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. By understanding its importance and supporting sustainable tourism practices, we can all play a part in ensuring that future generations can marvel at the wonders of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Hidden beneath the lush tropical landscape of Quintana Roo lies a secret world, a network of underwater caves and sinkholes known as cenotes. These natural wonders, formed over millennia by the slow erosion of limestone bedrock, are a unique feature of the Yucatán Peninsula. Imagine descending into the cool, refreshing embrace of a cenote, the air thick with anticipation. As your eyes adjust to the dim light filtering through the opening above, you find yourself surrounded by stalactites hanging like icy teeth from the cave ceiling, and stalagmites rising from the water's edge like ancient sentinels. Sunlight, piercing through crevices in the rock, paints shimmering beams across the surface of the water, illuminating the depths below. Schools of tiny fish flit through the water, their scales catching the light like scattered jewels. For the ancient Mayans, cenotes were more than just sources of fresh water. They were sacred portals to the underworld, places of ritual and reverence. Whether you choose to swim, snorkel, or simply admire these subterranean wonders from the safety of dry land, a visit to a cenote is an unforgettable experience. On the eastern edge of the Yucatán Peninsula, where the ancient Mayan city of Tulum overlooks the turquoise embrace of the Caribbean Sea, lies a realm where history and nature intertwine, the Sian Ka'an Biosphere Reserve. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its tropical forests, wetlands, mangroves and coral reefs, stands as a testament to the untamed beauty and ecological significance of this region. Imagine venturing into the reserve, surrounded by the rustle of leaves as spider monkeys swing through the canopy, the calls of exotic birds and the gentle lapping of water against mangrove roots. Jaguars roam free, symbolizing the reserve's commitment to conservation. Ocelots slink through the undergrowth while monkeys play overhead. The reserve is a haven for birdwatchers, with over 300 species gracing its skies. From toucans to herons, the air is alive with color and movement. Ancient Mayan ruins dot the landscape, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. The reserve reminds us of the interconnectedness of nature, culture, and history, where the past and present coexist in harmony. Venture inland from the sun-drenched beaches of Quintana Roo, and you'll find yourself enveloped by a world of vibrant green, the Selva Maya, the Mayan jungle. This vast expanse of rainforest, stretching across southeastern Mexico and into Belize and Guatemala, is one of the largest tropical rainforests in the world. Imagine walking beneath a ceiling of leaves, the air thick with humidity and the scent of damp earth. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, painting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Vines, thick as a man's arm, snake their way up tree trunks, reaching for the light. Listen closely and you'll hear the symphony of the jungle. The chatter of monkeys, the calls of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves as unseen creatures go about their daily routines. Keep an eye out for brightly colored parrots, their feathers flashing like jewels against the green backdrop. The Mayan jungle is a haven for adventure seekers, offering opportunities for ziplining through the canopy, hiking through dense undergrowth, and exploring hidden cenotes tucked away amongst the trees. But it is also a place of immense cultural significance, home to the descendants of the ancient Maya who still maintain their traditions and connection to the land. A journey into the Mayan jungle is a journey into the heart of nature, a chance to witness the raw power and biodiversity of one of the most important ecosystems on our planet. Scattered off the coast of Quintana Roo, like emeralds sprinkled across the turquoise canvas of the Caribbean Sea, lie islands of captivating beauty, each with its own unique character and allure. Journey northwards and you'll discover Isla Holbox, a haven of tranquility where time seems to move at a slower pace. Here, golf carts and bicycles replace cars and life revolves around the rhythm of the tides. Stroll barefoot along pristine beaches, their sands as white as powdered sugar, and wade into the warm, shallow waters. During the summer months, Isla Holbox transforms into a gathering place for gentle giant whale sharks. These magnificent creatures, the largest fish in the sea, congregate in the waters surrounding the island to feed on plankton, offering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to swim alongside these gentle giants. Further south, Isla Cozumel, the largest island in the Mexican Caribbean, beckons with its world-renowned diving and snorkeling opportunities. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a close encounter with nature's wonders, the islands of Quintana Roo offer an escape from the ordinary. Throughout Quintana Roo, a commitment to conservation ensures that future generations can experience the same natural wonders that captivate visitors today. Laguna Bacalar, often called the Lake of Seven Colors, is a testament to this dedication. Its freshwater expanse, stretching over 26 miles, shimmers with an array of blues and greens, a mesmerizing spectacle caused by the sunlight reflecting off the limestone bottom and the varying depths of the water. Imagine gliding across its tranquil surface, the colors shifting and changing with every ripple of the water. Surrounded by mangroves and lush vegetation, Laguna Bacalar is a haven for wildlife. Its shores home to a diverse array of birds, reptiles, and mammals. For a truly immersive experience, venture into the heart of the Xcaret Eco Park. By supporting sustainable tourism initiatives and respecting the environment, we can all play a part in ensuring that these natural treasures continue to thrive for generations to come. From the depths of its cenotes to the heights of its rainforest canopy, Quintana Roo vibrates with life, a symphony of creatures great and small, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Imagine yourself walking through the jungle, the air alive with the sounds of the rainforest. Look up and you might spot spider monkeys swinging effortlessly through the trees, their long limbs and prehensile tails perfectly adapted to life in the canopy. Listen closely and you might hear the distinctive call of the howler monkey, their voices echoing through the jungle. Venture towards the coast and you'll enter a world of marine wonders. Sea turtles, ancient mariners of the ocean, patrol the coral reefs, their shells adorned with intricate patterns. Dolphins, their sleek bodies slicing through the water, often frolic in the waves, their playful nature a joy to behold. During the summer months, the waters off the coast of Holbox Island come alive with the arrival of whale sharks. These gentle giants, the largest fish in the sea, migrate to these plankton-rich waters to feed, offering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to swim alongside these magnificent creatures. By respecting their habitat and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that this symphony of life continues to play on for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the natural wonders of Quintana Roo. From its pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs to its mysterious cenotes and lush jungles, this Mexican state offers a glimpse into a world of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity. Whether you're planning a visit or simply dreaming of paradise, Quintana Roo offers something for every nature lover, an invitation to reconnect with the natural world and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content.